Stay tuned to find out how to hydro dip these jars using nail polish. To begin this project, we're going to paint the jars white, just using a basic white spray paint. I wanted to try the hydro dipping using nail polish after watching a video on YouTube, and I thought it was a cool concept to use nail polish instead of spray paint. Next, I'm going to hot glue 2 of the leftover wallflowers that I have from last week's project to the bottom of our newly spray painted jars. This is just going to make the dipping process so much easier. This jar we're going to dip, we're going to use these 3 different shades of blue. And this process is very similar to the spray paint in where you add the paint to the surface of the water. You do not want to start pouring the nail polish from up too high, because then it will just go ahead and float down to the bottom. You want to start relatively close to the surface of the water and then begin to pour the nail polish all across the surface in sporadic designs. Now, some people use a toothpick to marble the nail polish together, but I just went ahead and did it myself by pouring the nail polish in an interesting design. Once you get the nail polish across the surface of the water, you'll go ahead and dip your jar in at an angle, allowing the paint to fully coat the surface. You're going to repeat that same process for your second jar that you're going to hydro dip. This time I'm using different shades of reds and pinks and a little bit of silver just to add some contrast. And again, you'll pour the nail polish across the surface of the water, not starting from too high so that it will create interesting patterns. And then make sure you dip your jar in at an angle so that it coats the entire surface. And here are the finished jars hydro dipped using nail polish. I think that using the nail polish is a cool trick because it's real inexpensive. You can get different colors and it allows you to be more intricate when it comes to your marbling, in my opinion. And the patterns that you can create using the nail polish versus the spray paint are infinite. And I believe that using the nail polish gives you more control over your designs and how you apply it to the surface of the water. I think that this is a cool trick if you don't have spray paint on hand and you still want to create an interesting design and do a hydro dip process. And it can be real inexpensive and have a gorgeous outcome. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys will try doing hydro dipping using nail polish. First off, I really want to thank you guys for joining me for another video. I know that these times are really trying and everybody's just doing their best to stay sane and keep themselves busy. I hope that you guys are staying inside and staying safe and that your loved ones are safe as well. If you guys decide that you want to try out this video, make sure that you tag me on Instagram at haiku_creations. I will say the one thing about using nail polish versus spray paint is that you want to make sure that you shake your nail polish well, because you don't want to have any lumps or clumps transfer to your project. Otherwise, this was a great project. This was interesting to try, and I really enjoyed doing it. Please stay safe, stay at home, and wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I do hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, I love you guys. Bye.